Hello! Today, we're gonna meet some amazing animals and discover their wonderful homes. Let's go!
The ant lives in an anthill. It's a giant city underground, full of tunnels and rooms.
The bird lives in a nest. She built it carefully to keep her eggs safe and warm. Tweetastic.
The cow lives in a barn. It's a big red farmhouse. The eagle lives in an eyrie. It's a mighty nest high on a cliff. The dog lives in a kennel. It's his own little house in the backyard, perfect for resting.
The donkey lives in a stable. It's a strong and sturdy shelter for a hard-working friend. Hee-hawsome! The fox lives in an earth. It's a secret den hidden under tree roots, positively perfect for hiding.
The frog lives on a pond. He leaps from lily pad to lily pad in his watery world. Ribbit-tastic.
The chicken lives in a coop. It's a little house where she lays eggs and keeps her chicks safe. Clucktastic.
The horse lives in a stable. The baby kangaroo's first home is a pouch. It's a warm, furry pocket on it. The owl lives in a hollow. It's a snug hole in a tree, perfect for a wise...
Look, kids! The lion lives in a den. It's his cozy home where he rests with his family. Roarsome.
The pig lives in a sty. He loves his muddy puddle and his cozy wooden shelter. Oink-tastic. Rabbit lives in a burrow. It's a cozy tunnel underground where he can hide. The mouse lives in a hole. It's a tiny little home, just his size, hidden. The sheep lives in a pen. This safe, fenced field is where she grazes on sweet.
The turtle carries its home on its back. Its shell is a mobile house for protection. Shell ebrate. Thank you for learning with me today. If you had fun, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!